everyone. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Tahwila Hairana. You can call me Tahwila or Wila. My hobby is sports. My dream is a policewoman. I'm studying at PAL Vocation Engineering High School. I'm in class 10 Computer and Network Engineering B. My hope for the future is to become a better person than before. Thank you for your attention. Dadah!